Hello, this is Jennifer. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about niche marketing mastery, targeting specific audiences effectively. Course overview. Niche marketing is a powerful strategy that allows businesses to focus their efforts on a specific segment of the market with unique needs and preferences. This comprehensive course will provide you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in niche marketing, helping you reach your target audience more effectively and drive meaningful results. From identifying profitable niches to crafting tailored marketing strategies, this course covers it all. Module 1: Introduction to Niche Marketing. Understanding niche marketing. Niche marketing is a strategic approach in which a business targets a specific segment of the market with distinct characteristics and preferences. Unlike mass marketing, which aims to reach a broad audience, niche marketing focuses on a narrow group of individuals who share common needs, interests, and behaviors. This approach allows businesses to tailor their products, services, and marketing efforts to better resonate with the specific needs of the chosen niche. Key concepts. Segmentation. Niche marketing relies on market segmentation, the process of dividing the larger market into smaller, more homogeneous groups. Each segment, or niche, represents a subset of consumers who share specific traits and characteristics. Specialization. Niche marketing involves offering specialized products or services that cater to the unique demands of the chosen niche. This specialization enables businesses to position themselves as experts and deliver more relevant solutions. Personalization. By targeting a specific niche, businesses can personalize their marketing messages, content, and offerings to address the specific pain points and preferences of that audience. Relationship building. Niche marketing fosters stronger connections with customers. Businesses can engage in meaningful interactions, understand customer needs more deeply, and build long-lasting relationships based on trust. Competition. Niche markets are often less crowded and competitive compared to broader markets. This gives businesses a better chance to establish themselves as leaders within their chosen niche. Benefits of niche marketing. Focus marketing efforts. Niche marketing allows businesses to concentrate their resources and efforts on a smaller, more receptive audience, leading to better targeted campaigns and higher ROI. High conversion rates. Since niche audiences are more likely to find value in specialized offerings, conversion rates tend to be higher compared to mass marketing efforts. Less competition. Niche markets are typically less saturated, making it easier for businesses to stand out and become recognized leaders. Increased customer loyalty. Personalized solutions and strong connections foster loyalty, leading to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth marketing. Market differentiation. Niche marketing enables businesses to differentiate themselves by addressing unique problems and providing tailored solutions. Real-world examples. Dollar Shave Club. This company targets the niche of men who are seeking affordable, convenient, and high-quality shaving products. The witty marketing campaigns and subscription model have helped them carve out a niche in a competitive industry. Lululemon. Focusing on the niche of yoga enthusiasts and active individuals, Lululemon offers premium athletic wear and promotes a lifestyle that resonates with its target audience. Niche marketing is a strategic approach that offers numerous benefits by allowing businesses to cater to the specific needs and preferences of a focused audience. This approach can lead to higher engagement, stronger relationships, and a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Understanding your niche audience and tailoring your offerings accordingly are essential steps for success in niche marketing. The power of targeted marketing. In the world of marketing, the phrase targeted marketing refers to a strategy where businesses tailor their messages and offerings to reach a specific group of individuals who share common characteristics, interests, and behaviors. This approach, often associated with niche marketing, has proven to be a game changer for businesses looking to maximize their impact and engage their audience more effectively. Key concepts. Relevance. Targeted marketing focuses on delivering messages and content that are highly relevant to the recipients. This relevance increases the likelihood of capturing their attention and resonating with their needs. Personalization. By understanding the unique preferences of a specific audience, businesses can personalize their marketing efforts, creating a more personalized and meaningful experience for customers. Engagement. Targeted marketing fosters deeper engagement by addressing the pain points, challenges, and aspirations of a particular audience. This engagement can lead to higher interaction rates and better customer relationships. Efficiency. Resources, time, and efforts are allocated more efficiently in targeted marketing, as messages are directed only to individuals who are more likely to convert, reducing wastage. Segmentation. Effective targeted marketing relies on thorough market segmentation. Segments can be based on demographics, age, gender, psychographics, lifestyle, values, behavior, purchase history, online activity, or a combination of these factors. Benefits of targeted marketing. High conversion rates. When marketing messages are tailored to a specific audience's needs and preferences, the likelihood of conversion increases, leading to higher ROI. Cost efficiency. Targeted marketing reduces unnecessary expenditures by avoiding reaching uninterested or irrelevant audiences. Stronger engagement. By speaking directly to the concerns and interests of a particular audience, businesses can create more engaging and interactive experiences. Better customer insights. Engaging with a focused audience provides valuable insights into their behaviors, preferences, and challenges, aiding in refining marketing strategies. Brand loyalty. When customers feel understood and catered to, they are more likely to develop loyalty toward a brand, leading to repeat business and advocacy. Real-world examples. Amazon. Through its recommendation engine, Amazon tailors product recommendations to users based on their browsing history and purchase behavior, leading to high conversion rates. Netflix. By analyzing viewing habits and preferences, Netflix suggests shows and movies that align with each user's tastes, enhancing the user experience and encouraging continued subscription. The power of targeted marketing lies in its ability to create personalized and relevant experiences that resonate with specific audiences. This approach not only boosts engagement and conversions, but also helps businesses gain a deeper understanding of their customers. Effective targeted marketing requires a solid understanding of market segmentation and the ability to craft messages that speak directly to the needs and desires of the chosen audience. Why niche markets matter. Niche markets, often referred to as specialized markets or micro-markets, are segments of the larger market that focus on catering to a specific set of customer needs, preferences, or demographics. These markets hold great significance in the business world due to their ability to offer unique opportunities, foster innovation, and create deeper connections with customers. Key concepts. Hyper-relevance. Niche markets allow businesses to provide hyper-relevant products, services, and marketing messages tailored to the specific needs of a smaller, well-defined audience. Unmet needs. Niche markets often emerge from unmet or underserved needs within a larger market. Identifying and addressing these needs can lead to untapped opportunities for growth. Innovation. Niche markets encourage innovation by necessitating the development of unique solutions to address specific challenges faced by the target audience. Reduced competition. Niche markets are typically less competitive compared to broader markets. This offers businesses a chance to stand out, establish authority, and capture market share. Customer loyalty. Businesses that cater to niche markets can build strong customer loyalty by consistently delivering solutions that directly address their customers' pain points and preferences. Market research and niche selection. Conducting thorough market research. Market research is a critical step in identifying viable niche markets and understanding the needs and behaviors of the target audience. In this lesson, we'll explore the various components of effective market research. Key concepts. Primary research. Gathering data directly from the target audience through surveys, interviews, and focus groups to gain insights into their preferences, challenges, and behaviors. Secondary research. Collecting existing data from sources like industry reports, competitor analyses, and market trends to supplement primary research findings. Competitor analysis. Evaluating competitors within potential niches to identify gaps in the market, unique selling points, and opportunities for differentiation. Identifying potential niches. Identifying profitable niches involves evaluating potential markets for their viability and alignment with your business goals. This lesson will guide you through the process of selecting niches that offer the best opportunities. Key concepts. Market demand. Assessing the demand for products or services within a potential niche. Considering factors like consumer behavior and trends. Competition analysis. Evaluating the level of competition within a niche to determine if there's room for new entrants and identifying strategies to stand out. Profitability. Analyzing the potential profitability of a niche by estimating revenue, costs, and potential return on investment. Evaluating niche viability. Once you've identified potential niches, it's essential to evaluate their viability before committing resources. This lesson will teach you how to assess the feasibility of your chosen niches. Key concepts. Target audience analysis. deepening your understanding of the target audience's demographics, psychographics, and behaviors to ensure alignment with your offerings. Sustainability, assessing whether the niche's demand is stable over time or subject to short-term trends. Barriers to entry, identifying potential barriers to entering the niche, such as regulatory hurdles or high initial investment. Lesson 4. Choosing the right niche. Selecting the right niche involves considering a combination of factors, including your business's capabilities, passion, and growth potential. This lesson will guide you through the final steps of niche selection. Key concepts. Alignment with expertise, choosing a niche that aligns with your expertise and passion to ensure sustained interest and commitment. Market size, balancing the potential of a niche's profitability with its size to ensure there's a substantial customer base to target. Long-term vision, evaluating the niche's long-term potential and considering how it fits into your business's overall growth strategy. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed the Niche Marketing Mastery Targeting Specific Audiences Effectively course. You've gained in-depth insights into the world of niche marketing, from understanding its fundamentals to crafting tailored strategies that resonate with specific audiences. Armed with this knowledge, you're ready to embark on a journey of connecting with your target audience on a deeper level and achieving remarkable results for your business. Remember, successful niche marketing is an ongoing process that requires continuous learning, adaptation, and innovation. As you apply the strategies and techniques learned in this course, you'll be equipped to navigate the dynamic landscape of niche markets and make data-driven decisions that drive growth. If you have any questions, need further guidance, or want to share your successes and challenges, don't hesitate to ask in the comments section below. Your curiosity and engagement are vital for your ongoing learning journey. Best of luck in your niche marketing endeavors, and remember that the power of connecting with a specific audience lies in your hands. Thanks for watching.